Whirlpool refrigerator makes honking noise like a goose, intermittent.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Do you have a model number so that I can better assist you? And can you tell if the noise is coming from the freezer or refrigerator section?
Let me get model.can't tell where the noise is coming from. Stand by.
Okay.
Can't find model.back panel only shows how to hook up ice maker. It is side by side with ice and water dispenser. The honking sounds to me to be like a compressor.
The model number would be located on a sticker inside the refrigerator up near the ceiling on a sticker somewhere normally. Either way, if the compressor below is making the noise, there is nothing you can do but replace the compressor. The only other things that would make the noise would be the fan motors. There is a fan motor inside the freezer behind the back panel, and there is a fan back by the compressor. The issue is intermittent, so it's difficult to determine what is making the noise, but that would be the first task. You need to determine if the oise is coming from one of the fans or the compressor. You can replace the fan motor or check for something hitting the blades. You yourself cannot replace the compressor, however, and that costs about $550 to have someone replace that part.
Thanks. That's what I was afraid of.
Not a problem, but I am number 39. I'm sorry about the bad news. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Tyler, model number is manufactured 2003.
Okay, so this is a side-by-side refrigerator, and the most common time you have a noise, it's coming from the fan motor behind the back panel inside the freezer. So the next time the noise occurs, try to track it down, and if it's coming from inside the freezer, then the fan behind the back panel would need to be replaced.
The noise is so rapid it literally sounds like a goose honk or FRT.
It's really something you would need to track down, but that sounds like a fan motor bearing going out.
Okay. Thanks again.
No problem, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.